The horse is often aware of your emotional state long before you are, whether you like it or not. The horse is a herd animal and a flight animal, and this ability has helped the horse as a species to survive. And typical situations where we are tense without even realizing it are when we are loading a horse onto a trailer, or driving alone with a cart for the first time, maybe participating in training or competitions away from home, or maybe even at home with an audience. Oh well, it's exciting to participate in competitions, and sometimes nerves come up a little and sometimes a lot. Often this leads to the horse behaving differently than we hope, expect, and have trained for. This behavior often stems from our own tension that the horse picks up and reacts to. How can we navigate our way in relation to this tension? Well, I have a couple of tips, and they're real simple and everyone can do it.
Do you need any help?
Yes. Wear jackets.
Hi guys, I'm at the horse show with my daughter today, and today I want to share 2 tips for you to make sure you get less nervous and less tense when you're going to a horse show. So then your horse will be more relaxed too. Hang on. First of all, you want to take a deep breath. You mount your horse and then you like you breathe with all of your lungs a couple of times, maybe 5, until you release the tension. That's number 1. Guess what number 2 is all about? Thus yawning releases tension and calms the rider, and thus the horse's state of mind. And the important point is, in that calmer state of mind, it's easier to communicate with the horse, and that usually leads to better results. So take a deep breath, yawn, and smile and ride.
Det var faktiskt over 65.
It's so simple, and it just works. So just the same, less tension and a calm state of mind makes everything easier, like when jumping, or if you are a little nervous when you're going to show your horse, or maybe when driving a young horse, or hacking out for the first time. There is all kinds of situations where it's nice to be relaxed. What about when you clip your horse to do it stress-free? That's nice, huh? Or when loading without any stress at all. It's just so much better. So take a deep breath, yawn, smile, and get it done.